So I've come on a job with Shane this afternoon, get a ride out of the office really. As it says on the back of our vans, we do it for cars, vans and trucks. There's more than 1.5 million ways you can configure this for your vehicle. We're doing another one of BCD's trucks this afternoon. New Seatskinz here, has rotating passenger seat and driver's seat. Shane's on it. Only been here a couple of minutes. I'm going to transform that into your typical BCD, or our typical BCD design. We offer this for all the truck ranges, all the makes, manufacturers. So that would be DAF, MAN, Scania, Mercedes, Renault, and even some of your more spurious ones like Fodden. Just send us a picture of your seats and one of the team will be able to confirm whether we actually have the digital pattern for your vehicle. As you can see, our skins go over the top of the original seat, really giving the diversity and less downtime. We'll be done on this vehicle in under an hour. Shane is going to be taking pictures of his finished job, but I'll quickly get in up the step before him. Passenger seat done, driver seat done. We've been on this for about 30 minutes tops, between the two of us that is. So realistically, one man job would take about an hour. Get in touch with us.